In the quiet town of Snoozeville, Mr. Whiskers, the laziest cat around, was infamous for his ability to nap through anything. One night, he unexpectedly developed a case of the hiccups. With each hiccup, his fur would poof up like a fluffy balloon. This made his owner Bella giggle uncontrollably, but when Mr. Whiskers hiccuped right into a glass of milk, the chaos began. Milk splattered and Bella's dog Rufus began to chase the hiccuping cat all over the house. The whole family ended up in a giggle-filled milk bath, and Mr. Whiskers, well, he continued his milk-based snooze, hiccuping happily through the night.